Visionless. Soaring at low altitude, the Tomahawk utilized advanced terrain-following radar to navigate complex landscapes with pinpoint precision. The launch itself lasts only a few seconds. Once safely airborne, the missile automatically deploys its wings and at this vast Tucson campus, Raytheon Missiles and Defense engineers are building the next generation of the Tomahawk Cruise Missile. Precision is everything. Machined from a solid block of titanium, this is the heart of the guidance system, built for unerring accuracy. This is the structural assembly bay, where craftsmanship and precision define the process. Our technicians use advanced laser equipment to verify every alignment. The Tomahawk facility demands extraordinary precision. Here, every structural seam is scanned with pinpoint accuracy to ensure mission success. This navigation module provides the critical data needed to reach the target with unparalleled accuracy. Inside the Tomahawk Cruise Missile Assembly Facility, low-volume, high-precision manufacturing is the standard. Unlike commercial assembly lines, every Tomahawk Cruise Missile is built through a carefully controlled process. This is where precision becomes reality. Every airframe section is measured, aligned, and inspected to precisions. Many of the missile's structural components begin as solid blocks of aerospace-grade metal. Advanced CNC machining removes materials. Every Tomahawk Cruise Missile begins with carefully selected aerospace materials. Lightweight alloys, advanced paper. Before any component moves to the next stage, it undergoes extensive inspection. Laser measurement systems vessel this. Protective surface treatments help preserve the missile's structure while maintaining strict aerospace performance requirements. Every coating is carefully applied and at the heart of every Tomahawk Cruise Missile is a carefully integrated propulsion system. Installing it demands absolute precision, where even the smallest alignment error can affect overall sense. Inside the airframe, thousands of individual parts must work together as a single system. Careful routing, chinkiris. The missile's onboard electronics are integrated one module at a time. Every connection is verified repeatedly.
Engines. Before final acceptance, every integrated system is carefully evaluated through a series of engineering checks.
Before certification, every Tomahawk Cruise Missile undergoes one final inspection. Engineers carefully examine every integrated system is carefully verified before certification, from electronics to onboard control systems. Before leaving the production facility, aerospace systems are evaluated under carefully controlled test conditions.
With manufacturing complete, certification finished, the Tomahawk Cruise Missile.
Once manufacturing is complete, careful handling becomes just as important as precision assembly. The telemetry readings on the radome look nominal here. Yes, my inspection confirms the coating is within tolerance. Modern aerospace systems depend on carefully coordinated logistics, from the production facility to secureness. Behind every advanced aerospace system is an equally disciplined process of maintenance, inspection, and readiness. From raw materials to final certification, every stage reflects the discipline of modern aerospace manufacturing.